Welcome to another Wix series where we will learn how to create a website for your resort business or any other accommodation business. If you've decided to take your accommodation business online, then that's awesome. But before you get to the building part, there are essential things you must plan and prepare first. By the way, an important heads up, since you're going to be collecting payments through bookings, Wix requires that you upgrade your site to one of their premium plans. Not only will you be able to process transactions, but you'll also be able to have your very own domain as well as access to premium features. These are the things we're going to talk about, but for more details, stay until the end of this video. Let's dive into them. Essential media, your images and videos. Your homepage needs a stunning image or video of your resort, and so do other pages. Prepare a lot of images of the property you want to rent out because you're going to need to showcase or display them later on as you build your site. Branding assets. Establish your identity through colors, typography, and your very own business logo. For your logo, if you don't have a logo yet, you can actually simply create one for yourself using Canva. It's free. Make sure that you create two variations of your logo, one for a light background and another for a dark background. Your favicon icon. You can still use your logo for this one. A favicon, by the way, is the icon you see on your browser's tab. It instantly gives your site a professional look and feel. Your brand colors. Decide on a color palette you'd like to use for your business. You can use the colors on your logo. Make sure you identify their hex code so that you can incorporate the same colors to your site later on. Brand font. Although Wix has a lot of text themes that you can choose from, if you prefer using your own fonts, make sure to prepare them so that you can upload them easily onto Wix. Your brand art, if any. If you want to use your very own icons, vector art, etc., make sure you prepare them as well. Make sure that you prepare all of these essential media in a single folder so you can upload them easily onto Wix later on. Your rates. Get on those travel sites and look at what other similar resorts in your area are charging. Are they more or less expensive than you? What features do you have that they don't? This helps you set a smart, competitive price so you don't scare away customers or leave money on the table. Your policy. This step is all about making your business look professional and protecting yourself as well. A clear policy tells your guests exactly what to expect, which builds trust and prevents headaches down the road. To break it down, cancellation rules. What happens if a guest has to cancel? Do they get a full refund if they cancel a month out, or only a partial refund if it's a week before their stay? You need a clear cancellation policy. You have to decide this now. It's vital for your online booking system. Your house rules. This covers the day to day stuff. Are pets allowed? Is smoking strictly forbidden? What is the check in and check out time? These are your non negotiable house rules that keep your resort running smoothly. And of course, your liability and privacy. This is the serious stuff. Your legal policy lets guests know you're not responsible for things like lost personal items, and it explains how you will protect their personal information, like their email and credit card details. Listing descriptions. Don't just list a bedroom and a kitchen. Write an exciting paragraph for every single unit. Then, define your unique selling points. Is it a breathtaking ocean view? A massive private pool? The best resort breakfast in the state? Write down a short, punchy sentence for each unique selling points. These are the things you're going to need to incorporate across your page. Contact and location information. They're going to need to contact you and they're going to need to know where your resort actually is. So, of course, you have to prepare these things so that building your site will be a lot smoother and faster. Social proof or reviews, if possible. Go through your existing listings from Airbnb, Google, etc., and pull out your best guest reviews. If you like, you can also incorporate a Google app review onto your site later on. in order to showcase an interactive as well as genuine reviews. But if you're just starting out, that's okay too. You can then collect reviews along the way. And number 8, page content. Prepare content or paragraphs for your homepage, accommodations page, about me page, and any other page you plan to have on your site. Having all these ready will help you build your site in a more quick and efficient way. So that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned as we continue building our site. In the next video, we're finally going to be diving into Wix and select the perfect template for our resort page. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.